Is your Android phone slower than it used to be? Don't worry, you are not the only one. Over time, phones can become sluggish because of too many apps, full storage, or background processes that slow everything down. In this video, I will share some common reasons why your Android phone might be slow. I will also teach you the step-by-step tips on how to speed up your phone. At the end of this video, I will give you some bonus tips that will make your phone perform faster like new. So stay with me to the end of this video. My name is Bajepade Rohim from Batch Guide. Let's get started. Before I will start the step-by-step tips on how to speed up your phone, let's talk about the common reason why your Android phone might be slow. Once you know this, it is easier to fix the problem. 1. Too many apps running in the background. When you open apps and don't close them properly, they keep running in the background. This eats up your phone's RAM and slow it down. 2. Full or nearly full storage. Your phone needs free storage space to run smoothly. If your storage is almost full with photos, videos, and apps, the system doesn't have room to function properly. 3. Outdated software. Using outdated Android version or apps can cause slowdowns. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Without this, your phones might struggle to keep up. 4. Too many widgets and live wallpapers. Widgets and live wallpapers look cool, but use up a lot of resources. Having too many of your own screen can slow down your phone significantly. 5. Using suspicious apps. Downloading apps from untrustworthy sources can expose your phones to malware. These harmful apps can drain your phone's resources and slow it down. 6. Aging hardware. If your phone is old, it might not handle newer apps and update well. Newer software is designed for faster hardware, so older device naturally store it to keep up. Now that we have known the common reason why your Android phones might be slow, now let's move to the step-by-step tips on how to speed up your phone. Step 1. Clear cache data. One of the easiest ways to speed up your phone is by clearing cache data. Apps store temporary data like images or files to load faster, but over time this cache builds up and can slow your phones down. Here is how to clear the cache on your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick setting menu. Then tap gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to find and select storage. Under storage, tap cache data. You will see how much data is taking up space. When prompted, tap OK to clear all cache data. This won't delete your important files like photos or videos, just the temporary data stored by apps. Step 2. Remove or disable unused app. Next, let's remove or disable unused app. Extra apps, especially one you don't use anymore, take up storage and can slow your phones down. You don't have to delete them forever. Disabling them will make your phone faster. Here is how to remove or disable unused apps. Go to settings by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and tap apps. It might be labeled as apps and notification or apps management on some phones. If your phone is using app management like mine, you will have to tap on app list to show the list of apps on your phone. Scroll through your list of apps and choose the one you no longer need or use. If you want to delete the apps completely, tap uninstall. If you want to keep the app but stop it from running, tap disable. By removing or disabling these apps, you free up valuable resources and storage space, helping your phone run faster. Step 3. Optimize storage. Optimizing your storage is another way to boost performance. When your phone's storage is too full, it can cause slowdowns. You can either delete old files or move them to the cloud. Here is how to do that. Tap the Settings gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down and tap Storage. Here, you can see how much space you are using and what is taking up the most space. Tap on the categories like photos, videos, or downloads. Delete any files you no longer need. If you don't want to delete files, move them to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can also use apps like Google Photos to back up your pictures and videos. Optimizing storage keeps your phone's memory free, allowing apps and processes to run smoother. Step 4. Update software and apps. Keeping your software and apps up to date is very important. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help speed up your phones. Here is how to do this. Swipe down and tap the Settings gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down and tap Software Updates or About Phone, depending on your device. Tap Check for updates. If there is an update available, tap Download and Install. After that, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right. Then tap Manage Apps and Devices. Under the Update Available section, tap Update All to update your apps. By updating, your phone gets the latest features and bug fixes, which can help it perform faster. Step 5. Restart your phone regularly. Lastly, restarting your phone regularly can help improve performance. When your phone is on for too long, it can get bogged down with background processes and memory usage. A simple restart can clear this up and give your phone a fresh start. Doing this every couple of days can keep your phone running smoothly. With these steps, your Android phone should feel faster and more responsive. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. Now that you have known the step-by-step tips on how to speed up your phone, let me give you some bonus tips. Number 1. Using Lite version of apps. A great way to speed up your phone is by using Lite version of your popular apps. Lite apps are designed to use less data, storage, and system resources, making them perfect for older and slower phones. For example, Facebook Lite is a smaller version of the Facebook app that loads faster and takes up much less storage. YouTube Go allows you to watch YouTube videos with less data and faster loading time. This Lite version still gives you most of the core features but without the extra bloat. By using these apps, you can keep your phone running smoothly while still staying connected with your favorite platforms. 2. Avoid overloading widgets on the home screen. Widgets are a fun way to personalize your home screen, but too many can actually slow your phone down. Each widget is constantly running in the background using system resources. To keep things running faster, limit the number of widgets you use. Stick to just the essential like weather or calendar or dates widgets and remove any that you don't need. You can also remove live wallpapers as they consume more processing power than static images. A cleaner home screen means fewer things for your phones to manage, which can improve its speed and performance. 3. Use a reliable antivirus app to remove malware. Malware can seriously slow down your phone. It often runs in the background, eating up resources and causing your device to lag. To avoid this, it is important to use a reliable antivirus app to regularly scan your phone for any malicious software. There are many trusted antivirus apps available for Android, like Avast Mobile Security, Bitdefender Mobile Security, or Kaspersky Mobile Antivirus. These apps not only detect and remove malware, but also offer features like safe browsing and app permission management to protect your device. Regularly scanning your phone with an antivirus app can help keep it running smoothly and secure from harmful threats. By following these bonus tips, you can take extra steps to keep your Android phone fast, secure, and efficient. With these steps, your Android phone should be faster and more efficient. Before you go, please make sure to check out other helpful videos on this channel. If this video helped solve the problem, please give it a thumb up, share it, like it, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Thanks for watching to the end.